Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am showing you 6 new shades I got by the brand Pink Gellac, which is the biggest European gel polish brand, and it's just a really cool brand as well. And they sent me some new shades I didn't have yet, as well as the Pink Gellac Extend base coat. This is a base coat you don't need a primer with, so I'm really curious to just use it on my own nails and see how it works. And I also got a backup of the Ultra Shine top coat, which is my favorite top coat ever. So I just got sent random colors, so this isn't like a full collection or anything like that. But first up there is this army green one, which I already had. So I think I'm going to give away that army green one to my mother-in-law, because she's really into like gel polishes and stuff, and I do her nails regularly. So yeah, I got a double one of that, but that's not a biggie because it is a beautiful shade and really perfect for fall as well. So I think I will be using that a lot. So I also got a hot pink one, some grayish tones, a nude one, as well as like a burgundy red, which is such a beautiful color for Christmas season. I know it's still like months away, but I'm already like busy with like Christmas in my head and stuff like that. I'm already like planning out designs I want to do. So yeah, that burgundy red really is a beautiful shade. And as usual, I'm just going to apply all of the colors to my practice nails or like swatch nails, and I already prepped them. I filed them a little bit with a buffer or buff them up, and I am going to apply a thin layer of that base to all of these nails. And after you have applied this, you just want to cure it for 15 seconds and you are good to go. So just place them all at once. I usually do that, and don't forget to screw the cap back on to the polish, because that way you make sure you don't mess up your polish or your base coat, so it won't be cured in the bottle, so you actually can still use it. So let's just scoop everything out of the way and start off with the first color, which is this army green. As I said, I already had it, so I'm not going to swatch this one again, but this is just 2 coats and a top coat as well. It is a little bit more of like a khaki green than a true army green, but I think khaki is kind of army-like. But yeah, it's a really lovely shade, and it's like perfect into thin coats. Then it's 153, which is petrol gray. This is a really special color in my opinion. I've never seen a tone like this before in like a gel polish. I do have a regular nail polish which is called After 8, and it's by a really old collection by Catrice Cosmetics. So that looks a little bit like it, but this is just stunning. It is kind of like a metallic-y shade, but I don't feel like it is super streaky, and you can actually really pull just one coat off on your natural nails. I'm just going to apply 2 coats to each of the swatch nails just to show you how it looks like full coverage, but this really is a beautiful shade, and you just want to cure every layer for a full minute. So because this is the first practice nail I'm actually swatching, I am showing you that I'm applying 2 layers, as well as the top coat layer, which is the Ultra Shine one. I always swatch my new gel polishes with the Shine top coat, because that really shows how this polish looks. It is such a beautiful shade, and of course you can always apply a matte top coat if you want to, but you know me, I love my shiny nails. So here you see me applying that Shine or Ultra Shine top coat to the nail. And you just want to apply a thin layer, and once you have cured this, it is ready to go. You don't have to like wipe off any sticky residue or anything like that. But that is 153 petrol gray. It is like a dark, almost black, dark gray tone with a hint of green in it. It is so stunning. The second color I got is 161 and it's called Ibiza Pink, and as you can see from like the color in the cap, it is a super bright neon pink. This is like the perfect Barbie pink shade in my opinion. It is so bright and so neon that my camera can't even pick it up that good. It looks already really bright like on camera, but in real life it is like bam, in your face, super neon, super bright, and I love it so much. This one again is a really opaque creamy one, and I think you can actually pull off a one coater of this one on your natural nails, especially if you have shorter nails, but you could also just use 2 thin layers for a perfect result. So here you can see 2 thin layers and the top coat on it, and I just really love this shade. I can't help myself, I am a girly girl, and I just really love my pink shades super much. Next up we have another grey one. This is 169 Smoked Grey, and this is a beautiful, like perfect grey tone. It reminds me of like stormy weather or something like that. It is a super beautiful color. Again, you could pull this off with just one coat, but 2 thin coats really makes it look perfect. And it is a super creamy one, again really opaque, really lovely. There is no shimmer in this one, but yeah, it just looks really pretty. And here I'm just taking a hair out, but I wasn't able to get it out. I have cats, you know, there's hair everywhere, I can't help it. But it is a really beautiful gray shade, perfect for fall as well as winter, and I think this color suits every skin tone. It is beautiful. And just cure that for a full minute for each layer, as well as a full minute for the top coat, and then you have the end result, the end color. I really like this shade. It is just super wearable, and as I said, it will suit any skin tone. Next up we have a nude color, and this is 195 Bronzed Nude, and this is just a nude shade. It is a little bit like caramel like on my skin tone, but that's just because I'm really pale, but it is like a latte kind of color in my opinion, a little bit more of it's like a nude but a little bit more towards the brown spectrum, if you know what I mean. Again, this is a really creamy color and super pigmented, so I think you might get away with one coat, but to be safe, just apply 2 thin coats and you are good to go. Cap it off with the top coat, cure it for a full minute, and there you go. It is a really beautiful shade, and I think this is like one of the perfect nude shades, especially if you have like a little bit of a darker skin tone than I have. It is a beautiful color. Next up and final color is 205 Burgundy Red, and as I said, I'm already like prepping for Christmas and Halloween and just fall and winter season and stuff like that, and wow, just look at that color. This is to me a beautiful romantic metallic-y red, perfect for Christmas if you are not into the really bright reds, but I think you could easily wear this in fall season as well, because burgundy really is one of my favorite colors to wear in fall, not only for nail polish but also for like makeup, as well as fashion. So I think this is a beautiful shade. Again, this might need 2 coats. I'd go for 2 thin coats because one coat might be a little bit sheer if you have longer nails, but yeah, it is a beautiful shade, a little bit metallic-y but not streaky at all. It has a nice shimmer as well. I'm actually really in love with this shade. I can't help it. I am such a fall girl. I really love this season. I am born in fall and I just really love it. But here you can see all of the 6 shades together, which I got in my latest PR package. So I did got these sent to me for free, but I actually really love this brand, so I am more than happy to make swatch videos and review videos for you, as well as making nail art tutorials. I'm really getting into gel polishes and just nail art and teaching myself to do more nail art. And yeah, I really wanted to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Do let me know in the comments down below what color is your favorite. And as far as the marble nail art goes, there is a tutorial online for that as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a next video.